Yeah, day 20th of December. Been reorganizing my shelves like a little old lady again. I got that one cleaned off. That Craftsman bagger assembly actually goes on my Craftsman mower. That can go into the shipping container or up high somewhere and out of the way, so I can free up that shelf. And I made another little shelf for all my battery operated tool chargers. Mounted a power strip to the wall, and then these big adapters, you really can't use a power strip, it won't fit. So I burned 2 outlets in this area, which is not bad because I got 3 available in that 4-way there. So I'm still okay on power assembly. I've got 4 available over there, 4 and 3. I got plenty of plug-ins. Now, boys up the hill, I asked them if they could make me these 2 cover plates. It's just a simple box pan's all it is. Well, we don't have a notcher. Can you write a program? I said, yeah, give me the tool size. It's done on a CNC turret punch. Anyway, I wrote the programs real quick, carried them up there, and it was real nice of them to do that for me. It saved me driving across town to another friend I got. So that's how I envision this thing working. Might have to put some weather stripping on this to get a tighter seal, but when the unit's running, they'll hold themselves in place. I'm about 100% positive. If not, I can put some simple hasps on this one in particular. This will be the one that will fall off between the 2. Just a simple hasp, not a whole lot to it. And moved all my auto body stuff, my buffers, polishers, spray guns, everything, over to this shelf unit, and cleaned that up, which gave me a lot more room on my other shelf unit. I got more brackets coming, and I got plenty of OSB in my shipping container, so I make a lot of shelves. Ain't no big deal at all. Just single thickness. I don't stack anything really heavy. And been looking at all my vice grips and welding C-clamps, welding type vice grips, all my pipe clamps and everything. That needs to be better organized. My sawhorses, they're fine on that shelf unit. They'll more than support the weight. And those suckers are kind of heavy. I gave 15-20 pounds each. And then eyeball my pickup. Damn, I did a good job on that. And my backpack blower is still on the floor. It goes over there on this hook assembly. That white bag is the bagging bag for my chipper. Once I get that hose kit in, I'll definitely have a plan. And so yeah, it's coming along. Wife checked on the trailer again. She knows the lady that is the wife of the owner, and now everybody's sick, so they still haven't had a chance to test my trailer. And that RSV is going around something fierce here in Northeast Texas. You get a cough that will not go away for a month to 6 weeks, and of course you feel like crap because you got a virus. You don't die from it unless you're really, really, really sick with a pre-existing condition. It's just an irritant basically. And feel sorry they're sick this close to Christmas. It kind of sucks. And so, like I said, it was real nice of them to make those covers for me up the hill. And as soon as I get the other parts in, I'll put it all. Oh, I'll be discharging into that white bag and saving all the ground up leaves for garden mulch. I just dumped the bags right on the garden. And, oh yeah. Don't seem like it, but made a little bit of progress today. And noticed when I was taking Gerda to her mall job that diesel jumped up 10 cents a gallon again. It's still reasonable here in Northeast Texas. Where I go is $3.35 a gallon for diesel. And I also get that 50 cent a gallon discount, 20 gallons per transaction with my credit card points. I got lots and lots of those. I use my credit card all the time just for getting the points for that discount. And let's see, I got 20 gallons times 50 cents, that's $10 bill. That's free money. I like free money. So, not even 1 o'clock yet. I'm kind of running out of stuff to do again. And had a request from one of the boys up the hill, wanted some more radish. So I'll grab some for him. Again, it's real nice of them to make those covers for me. I think my idea will work. So, that's about all for this one. Thank you.